In today's video, I'll show you how you can boost volume using FxSound. So let's get started. First of all, open FxSound, and from here, you just need to navigate into the dynamic boost slider. So this is the main control that increases overall loudness without you needing to raise your system volume. You can move the value up. So this 7, you can go for 8 or 9, but a 7 is actually already pretty high. So for this one, I just need to go at least 1 right here and test the sound and see if I like it better. So basically, you just need to keep adjusting until you find the sweet spot here in dynamic boost. And then, if you're not satisfied, you want it to be cleaner, then you can go into the equalizer section, which is right here. You can boost the mid-range frequencies, which is around 1 to 2 kilohertz right here. So we have this one right here. So this is in that range. So you could just boost this. So you can make it go up with the values right here so that the vocals and instruments would sound clearer, which often feels like a volume increase. You could also go for the clarity slider if you would want to slightly enhance details in speech and music so that it will not be like you have boosted the volume, but you would lose some details. So this would counter that. So this is basically it on how you can boost volume in FxSound.